Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna tell you that how you can check the divisibility of any number by 7. So let's get started. Let's take an example like 8 to 6. We have a number 826 and I want to check its divisibility by 7 within a second. So to do that, I'm gonna divide this number into two parts like this. It's 6. So first thing which we have to do is we have to twice the digit which is on ones digit. As we know, it's a 1 digit, it's a 10th digit, it's a 100th digit. We have to multiply the ones digits like this. So now I get 12. So now we're gonna subtract this number from the number formed by another numbers like 82. 82. When I subtract it from 12, then I get 70. And I know 70 is easily divisible by 7. So I can say that the whole number, which is 862, is also divisible by 7. Now let's take another example with a new number like this. I have a number which is 14,126 and I want to check its divisibility by 7. Now the first step is we are going to divide this number in two parts like this. I have divided the ones digits from the number formed by another digits. It's a 1 digit and I will twice it, like I want to multiply it by 2 and I get 12. And then I have to subtract this number from the number formed by another digits, which is 1412. I want to subtract the results from this number and I get 1400, and which is completely divisible by 7. As I know this number is divisible by 7, and I can set the whole number which I want to check the divisibility. It's also divisible by 7. I hope this video will really help you to solve your questions within few minutes. If this video is really helpful for you, then share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.